everyone. Thank you for joining our webinar. This is Irene from PREMIA TNC. Today, we are going to share with you all about the Hong Kong company formation and maintenance. In Hong Kong, there are several types of entity can be registered to start a new business here. Firstly, sole proprietorship. This type of business entity is for small-scale, one-man type business only, very simple to set up, and with the lower profit tax rate. However, there is no protection of personal assets and its owner's personal liability is unlimited. Company limited by shares is the most common type of companies in Hong Kong. The liability of the shareholder is limited to the capital originally invested. Company formation. In Hong Kong, the majority company are registered a company limited by shares, and this is the most common type of entity used for the small to medium-sized business or trading companies in Hong Kong. So, today we will introduce to you the key facts and the information about setting up this private limited company by shares. About the director. For every private limited company must have at least one director who is the neutral person at least 18 years old, and there is no nationality requirement and no legal maximum of the number of directors. Meanwhile, a director and shareholder can be the same or the different person. 100% local or foreigner shareholdings is allowed. About the bank account opening, the company will open the bank account for the business operation purpose after the company is incorporated. Here we will share the basic information when apply for the company bank account in Hong Kong. Please look that the standard and then the requirement may a little bit different and then subject by each bank policy. In Hong Kong, the majority company are registered as company limited by shares, and a Hong Kong company is required to take care of the reporting and filing requirement for the company every year under the company audience and inland revenue audience. This is the duty of director to ensure the annual return in a correct information to refreshing the affair of the company as the dates of return. Whether the company structure has changed or not during the years, this is required to file the annual return with latest company structure within 42 days from the anniversary date. Profit tax return. In Hong Kong, there have profit tax return and employer return related to every corporate. The first profit tax return will be issued by the company within 18 months after incorporation date, and this is required to arrange the filing annually after the financial year end. For the first PTR, the company is requested to arrange the filing within 3 months from the issuing date. For the subsequent filing will be dependent on the year-end date. For the employer return, this is the employer report the employee income and related to the individual tax return. Whether the company have their employees or not, the employer return must be filed with IRD. In general, the employer's return will be delivered to the company by IRD on the first working days on April every year, and the company should report the return within 1 month from the issuing date. We hope today's webinar can help you to have better understanding on Hong Kong company formation and how to maintain the company in good standing. That's the end of today's presentation. Please contact us for any question. Thank you for your time, and we are PREMIA TNC. Hope to see you on next webinar. Bye-bye.